Are you looking for a way to make money online? If yes, today is your lucky day. We are giving away 3 niche websites in some of the most popular niches on the internet today. Here are the 3 niche websites you will be getting instant access to today. Camping affiliate niche website, cooking for fitness affiliate niche website, weight loss affiliate niche website. You will have the ability to monetize these niche websites in many different ways. Here are just a few ways: Google Ads, banner advertising, affiliate marketing, or flipping these niche websites for profit, and so much more. You can also customize these niche websites to meet your specific needs. All you have to do is enter your name and email below to receive instant access. See you on the other side.